Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use this hair color changing effect on CapCut. So you can start by adding a clip into CapCut like this, but make sure that the face is visible and also the hair. And after that, you can just go to effects and then go to the body effects, and here swipe through the category, then click on roll. So in here, if you see at the bottom, there is this hair color changing effect. You can just click on the effect, and here you can click on adjust to change the color to how you like it. Okay, it's not really visible. I'm going to try to change the video. Okay, I'm going to use this videos right here. Let's put the effect at the start, and you can see it changed, but not really neat. So you can change the color if you want to, just by swiping it to the left or right like this. And you can also adjust the texture and intensity. Okay, if you find the right color, you can just change the line of the effect, and that's it. So this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.